Nobody does what we do in the tire business. Absolutely nobody. We don't develop a product and then go to the market with it and say, hey, we think this is what you should use, we think this is the best product, and here's the price and here's the tire. We work completely backwards. First, we start with the consumer. We see what the consumer needs. We see what the consumer is using. We see what the consumer trends are. We look at what the OE trends are. We look at all aspects of the product from the consumer level and then work all the way back through the distributor, back through the OE outlets, and then back into manufacturing and back into a product line. And the fact that we develop the products, design the products, test the products, we own the products, we own the tooling, we own the molds, we own the brands, we own everything about it. We're completely invested in the products. Nobody does that. Nobody has the engineering capability that we do to design tires from the ground up other than the major manufacturers. That's it. American Pacific Industries was founded in 1982. Our corporate office is located in Scottsdale, Arizona in the US. We have 2 manufacturing offices. One of them is located in Qingdao, China. We also have another office that's located in Bangkok, Thailand. One of the unique things that API has that none of our competitors has is we have a complete staff in Asia.
The Asian team is tasked with several important tasks. First is product development, second is quality control, and third is order tracking and commercial negotiations.
并且我们是这个从整个是轮胎的管控，从整个供应链开始，项目一开始一直到结束，全程都有相关的人员进行监控，保证每一条出厂的轮胎都符合市场需求，符合客户需求。
We really pride ourselves in the diversity and range of products that we have.
It doesn't matter the application, whether it's race car driving, OTR, passenger, medium truck, you name it, our technical team has the ability to compound what our customers need.
Our competitors might be 8 months to a year to bring a new product to market.
From the first inkling of putting a design on paper to producing an injected molded clay model of that tread pattern to bringing an actual tire from a mold to the customer for final approval can be done in less than 120 days.
And then we test the product, so we'll test the tread designs, we'll noise test the tires. Not only do we test in-house at different factories, we cross-test between different factories. Then we also use independent testing, and we pull random tires and test them on a regular basis. Then we have another team that picks up that's called CDSQ, which actually looks at our containers clean, our labels on, were tires inspected, did they get balanced?
Every day, API people are at the factory making sure our customers' tires are being produced on time, making sure they're being loaded in containers accurately, making sure that we're getting 100% fill rate, and we're delivering that to the customer on time.
When we come out with a product, it's really ready for the market, it's really ready for the consumer, and it's very easy to sell and plug into our distribution system.
We started the Motorsports Group in 2016. Our products are built for racers and consumers that expect the highest quality and reliability of their tires. And the Motorsports division gives us the ability to display and prove that mission.
I've put these things through the ringer on and off road. You need a set of all-terrains? Look no further.
It doesn't matter if we're going across country with the family or just cruising out in the dirt. Gladiator XCon has a tire for you.
It allows us to connect deeper within the motorsports community, as well as get feedback and verification from the end consumers that are attending the shows.
And we're able to pick up trends quickly. So we are very, very connected to the market. We're very connected to the consumer. We have over 85 million people that follow our YouTube videos, follow our brand ambassadors, follow our events.
that allows the end user to connect directly with us, the manufacturer, which is pretty rare in the industry.
We've been wildly successful, and it continues to grow every year, and it's a very, very exciting part of our business. Not only are we committed to the success of API, but we're committed to the success of our dealers and our distributors, and ultimately the consumer.